Hey, if you want to make your low carb diet super simple to follow in order to make it a lifestyle that is easy for you to do for life, I want to invite you to my new challenge, which is starting on Monday, March 25th. It's completely free to attend, and you can just go and sign up on the link down in the description. I don't do meal plans for people anymore, but I have decided to spend the first day of this challenge teaching you how to craft your own unique low carb diet plan, so that you get a diet plan that works for you. And if you come on live with me on the live trainings each day, you won't be doing this alone. I will be there with you. I will answer any questions that you have, and I will help you tweak your diet so that you get it exactly the way that you want it. And once you have your diet sorted, it's time to put this into practice and spend the rest of the week following this plan and tweaking it as we go along. But I will also teach you some other things that you might need along the way. Specifically, how to deal with cravings when the cravings come up, and how to build up your motivation to continue when it feels like you just want to pull your hair out because you're going crazy eating this way. And I will teach you what to do when you feel like all you want to do is lay down on the sofa with a tub of Ben & Jerry's ice cream and watch a movie. Because I know that at some point you're going to want to do this. But if you do, you might regret it. Having said that, if you do want to do this on occasion, I will teach you how to do that as well, because this is not a black and white kind of training. This is to fit you and your life the way that you want to live your life. And you get to choose exactly what you want to do. And I'm there to help you do that. So to make all of this your new reality, it's important that you are being very realistic with your planning and that you have a thorough look at your commitments to make sure that you are not in this honeymoon phase where you promise yourself things that you won't be able to follow through on. And to finish it off, I'm going to teach you a neat little trick that I do with all my clients in Radical Food Freedom, which is my 6-month program for keto and carnivores with food addiction or emotional eating problems. We do a specific type of planning where we reverse engineer the plan until we have a roadmap to your goal. So if you want to create a sustainable low carb lifestyle that feels natural to you, where you don't have to pull your hair out and fight yourself on a daily basis, go and sign up. The link is in the description, and I will send you the link to join me on Zoom, and we're starting on Monday. I'll see you there.